Hello gentlemen, welcome again. Unfortunately, we are still confined at home due to the pandemic, so I take this opportunity to do some maintenance and I decide to replace the light bulbs of McQueen. I want to share with you all the disassembly and assembly simple process of headlamp bulb, tail lamp and all 4 Trafficator bulbs. It's a very easy homework that we can do by ourselves. We just need a screwdriver and a pair of gloves. If we don't have gloves, a clean dry cloth is fine. So come on guys, stop wasting time and let's go. First of all, ensure ignition switch and stop switch in off condition. So come on, loosen and remove Phillips screw on headlamp. We just have to respect 2 basic rules. Don't rush and don't touch glass of bulb with hands. Now gently remove front rim and reflector from housing. Hold headlamp and carefully disconnect wires from pilot bulb main and ground, and disconnect headlamp connector too. Well, now gently pull out the pilot bulb along with the holder. Then depress wire clip and release from slot. Remove wire clip from reflector and gently pull out headlamp. If you are shopping for headlight bulbs, you likely find that the most common are H1, H3, H4, H7 and H4 among others. It's an H4 halogen lamp, also known as a tungsten halogen, quartz halogen or quartz iodine lamp. It's an incandescent lamp consisting of 2 tungsten filaments. H4 is easy to identify because of its 3-prong base, which is unique among these different bulbs. So go on, locate the lamp bulb into reflector and install wire clip. Press it, lock into slot. Les jeux sont faits. About pilot bulb, it's a T4 watt lamp, mainly used for dashboard light, side parking light or position light. Well, gently depress bulb to holder, turn in anti-clockwise direction. Take the new, depress into holder and turn it clockwise direction to fix it. And finally assemble it into a headlamp reflector. You know, after assembling, check the lamp, be sure it's not damaged. Well, before proceeding with assembly, we can notice that there are some connectors and sensors into headlamp housing. We can locate them and ensure that each one is locked. Check the clutch switch connector. This is the cluster connectors, ignition switch connector, the right and left module connectors, the right and left Trafficator sensor connectors, front brake lamp switch connector, And the last one, the wheel speed sensor connector. So carefully connect wires into pilot bulb main and ground, connect headlamp connector into headlamp bulb, assemble reflector along with front rim into housing, and at last tighten Phillips screw on headlamp. And now let's move on Trafficator bulb. Well, it's just a small bulb that can save our lives. You turn it on and others will know where you want to go. Maybe. At least hopefully. Anyway, loosen and remove screw from traffic lens. Remove lens along with the bulb assembly. Remove grommet from lens assembly. And disconnect ground and positive connection from holder. Well done! Now press and release both locks from holder assembly and remove holder along with bulb from lens. Trafficator bulb is a simple Art and Watt lamp, single filament flasher lamp, mainly used for side parking light, number plate light, or as interior light in a car. As we have done before with pilot bulb, depress and turn in anti-clockwise direction to remove. Take the new, depress into holder and turn in clockwise to fix it. Install holder along with bulb into lens and ensure lock both sides into holder. As always, check the lamp, be sure it's not damaged, and go on. Connect positive and ground connection into holder, install grommet into lens assembly, and finally install lens along with bulb and tighten screw. Come on guys, there are only 3 more. But don't worry, I'll spare you the show because it's exactly the same disassembly and assembly, simple process. So let's move on to the last effort, the lovely tail lamp. More I look at it, and more I think it's really a bad lamp. I hope to find a better alternative and replace it next year. Loosen and remove 2 screws from tail lamp lens. Gently remove lens from tail lamp assembly. Push bulb, turn in anti-clockwise direction to remove. It's a 5-watt lamp with double filaments, mainly used for double function as a pilot bulb light and a brake light. Take the new, gently push it and turn in clockwise direction to lock into holder. At last, locate lens into tail lamp, and tighten the two last screws of the day. So, amici miei, that's all. Le jeux sont faits. Thanks for watching, for your everyday support. I'm sorry if I wasted your time today, but anyway, ride safe, take care of your bike. But most of all, bring positivity each other during these hard times. 2020 it's a year to forget for all of us, I suppose. I can't wait for all of this to become just a distant fucking bad memory. See you guys soon. Ciao ciao.